guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a little continuation of last week's video. I received some feedback from a few of you guys, and first of all I just want to say thank you. I love hearing back about where you guys are at, how my channel is affecting you, and it brings me a lot of joy. And I hope with this video today, potentially I can maybe add a little joy to your life or bring some peace. And that brings us to the topic of today's video. Meditation can be very difficult to accomplish. Some stillness, some peace of mind for many of us. I can totally relate to that and speak to that. I am someone who has experienced debilitating anxiety. I can really attest to the fact just how much meditation has really helped me better navigate how to deal with that anxiety. There was a point in my life where I was experiencing panic attacks on a regular basis. I had to go to the ER because of how severely the panic was getting to me. It really showed me how tricky of a feeling anxiety really can be. But beyond that, the message that anxiety really was trying to provide me. What I came to find was the way I was living my life wasn't good for me. I was always busy, I was always hurrying, and I was really not taking the time to be present in the moment and just enjoy my life. The anxiety that I experienced helped me say stop, slow down, and reevaluate. That brings us to meditation and how I've been able to get in touch with a deeper part of myself that now helps me every single day live the life that I actually want to live and be very conscious about everything that I'm doing. Sit back, relax, join me, and I hope that the techniques that I'm talking to you about today maybe help you, maybe they don't, and we can talk about it more in the comments section below. Meditation technique number 1, create a space for yourself. Meditation is all about honoring yourself, and I like to think of it as a gift that I give myself. Stillness, peace of mind, it's all a gift for me that I deserve. And you kind of want to create a little ritual around meditation that really speaks to you. So for instance, I have my meditation pillow, I light a candle to symbolize the inner self that I really want to speak to. Maybe that looks like wearing your comfiest clothes, or maybe you're sitting in a ray of sunshine so you can feel the sunshine on your face and close your eyes and really just soak up that sunshine. Or maybe you need darkness and you need complete quiet. Maybe you need white noise. Whatever that is, take some time and figure out what makes me feel safest in this space. Meditation technique number 2, the grounding technique. By grounding, I mean helping trigger your body and your brain to feel present in the exact moment that you're in right now. Use your senses and really look around you, take it all in, and maybe name 5 things that you can see right now in front of you. I can see my laptop. I can see my trash can. I can see my light. I can see palm trees outside my window. I can see my stuffed animals chilling on my bed. What can I hear? I hear my roommate's music. I hear an airplane outside. I hear the wind. I hear my own breath. Let it sink in. What can you touch? I feel softness of my rug. I feel the embroidery of my pillow. I can feel the heat of my candle. I can feel the coolness of my hair. Keep doing that until you really feel the details in your surroundings. Meditation technique number 3, distance yourself from your inner dialogue. Everyone has thoughts and feelings inside their brain. A lot of thoughts kind of are just taking up space in our brain, and they don't have to mean what they're trying to say at face value. So a good visual exercise is imagine that you're on a grassy hill and it's overlooking a highway. And on this highway, there are cars. And every single car represents a thought or a feeling that's going on inside your brain. And you're an observer of this highway, and you watch the cars pass you by. Sometimes a car in particular gets your attention. You can acknowledge that it's gotten your attention and then bring your focus back to the highway. Just let them pass through you. You don't need to acknowledge them. And if you do, that's okay. Acknowledge it. Let it pass. This distance from the inner dialogue is really a good way to remind yourself that you can just be. You're allowed to just be. Meditation technique number 4, give your brain something to focus on. For me, the breath really is the best way for me to feel grounded and centered, because I like how breathing in and breathing out really helps me get in touch with my physical body. Another thing that you can practice focusing on would be something like a mantra or a saying that really speaks to you. We're giving ourselves time to figure out what speaks to us, so test out a few different ones and see which one really stirs something within you. It could be something like, I'm enough, or I allow, and set it to the pace of your breath. Keep saying it and keep repeating it. And you might start to feel your body relax and sink into what that phrase really means for you. Meditation technique number 5 that I'd like to leave you with is posing a question for yourself. I like to focus on gratitude because gratitude does really help me feel more at peace with my surroundings. So maybe you'll ask your inner self, what am I grateful for? And listen to the things that start coming up. I'm grateful for the air that I'm breathing. In and out. I'm grateful for the sun shining in my window. I'm grateful for the food in my fridge. I'm grateful for my roommate who makes awesome food. I'm grateful for my soft comforters. I really live in those feelings. Maybe it's not gratitude that you want to focus on. Maybe you want to get in touch with how are you really feeling inside? Ask yourself, how am I feeling? Really seek to listen when you're asking yourself these questions. See what comes up and see what really speaks to you. Maybe you're feeling scared. Maybe you're sad. Maybe I'm lonely. All those feelings are okay. We're just being. And we're allowing. Those were my meditation techniques that really help me feel grounded, centered, and if you followed along with me, I hope I leave you feeling a little bit more present in your exact moment right now, and I hope that you take it with you today. Whether that's cooking and just focusing on how good it feels to put ingredients together, whether it's putting on makeup today and feeling how smooth and beautiful you feel. Maybe you want to meditate a little bit more after this. Maybe you want to take some time. Allow yourself that. Thanks so much for watching. It means the world to me. Give this video a like if you appreciated this content. Leave me a comment below. I want your feedback. I love your feedback. and subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying what I'm putting out there. I'm wishing you the best day today that you can